right, we are out here, guys. This is, in the last video there, I was showing y'all my parents' house burned down, and what we're gonna do is, this is the new building grounds, and we're gonna be building out here. It's an undisclosed location, of course. My parents are very private people, but they have approved of me showing the building. This is some trees we took down the other day. They've approved of me showing the building of the new house. So I'm gonna be out here, and I figured it'd be a good project, showing the building of the house, and yeah, I figured I'd take you guys along for the ride. I was gonna work on the boat some more, but it come to be that a house burned down. So this is probably what I'm gonna be doing for the next 6 months to a year. So I'm gonna bring y'all along, and if this is something y'all are interested in, make sure to leave a comment and tell me if y'all are interested in it. But if not, this is what I'm gonna be doing. So anyway, he's got the bulldozer out here. He's been flattening out some land. So that's what we're doing right now. I figure I'll set up some time lapses, and we'll be good to go. So I'm gonna be doing some bulldozing, that's for sure. Just flattening all this out, getting it ready to put a house on. I should have brought y'all out here a couple days ago when he started, but it was really cold. So first of the year, new videos. Y'all make sure to put some comments down below, and I love hearing y'all's comments and stuff, and y'all always have good things to say and good ideas. And now my parents are gonna be a part of it. I won't be showing them, they'll be blurred out. They don't like to be on camera and stuff. So anyway, it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time. So I'm gonna set up a time lapse now, and we'll see what kind of work we get done here. And I'll be in and out, just kind of talking to you guys, and hopefully it goes pretty well. There's 8.5 acres here. It's definitely a little bit more space than, which we've had this land for a long time. We've just haven't had time to build anything on it, but now we are forced to build something on it. So, but it's all gonna work out good. And any support you guys can give as far as words of encouragement or anything is awesome. So, and make sure to subscribe, right? We're almost at 200 subscribers. I think we're at 198 as of today. So, and who knows, this video will probably be out next week, so I don't know. But yeah, he's getting all this flattened out. Got that, I think it's a 550K or something. But anyway, I'll set up a time lapse and see you guys in a bit. Day number one. Sorry, I don't know, whatever. New video here, all right. All right, guys, we're out here for day number 2 of the bulldozer episode here. And as you can see, he's flattening it out some. I think he's gonna have let me see my finger here. He's gonna have a house that we're gonna put here, I think. Somewhere in that area right there. So I'm sitting in the car, it's friggin' cold out there. So we're gonna set this time lapse up, and this will be day number 2. Get ready for it. We're out here, guys. It's been a few days since I made a video of me talking about what's going on. Just been doing time lapses past few days, but we've got it down pretty close to what we're wanting to be looking at. And I think their next step after we get the we're gonna get the tractor out here and move a little more dirt around and get it nice and level. But their next step after that, I think we're getting the power put in, the septic tank, and the water. I think power, water, then septic is how it's gonna go, something like that. And then we'll start doing the concrete for the floor of the house, and then we were gonna put another building over here for the dogs. And yeah, it's looking pretty good though. Over there, he was wanting to do like a pond or something, and so that's why we started digging out a little bit over on that side. But so far, it's looking pretty good, pretty level. I've been out here with that machine, and this is the first time I've ever used that. Got to use a bulldozer and stuff for the first time there too, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, y'all comment below, tell us what you think, and I'm just gonna keep y'all informed of what's going on. But yeah, we're flattening it out, and it's about there. We're doing, I think, 100 feet by 90 feet, but I don't know. It's liable to change. Who knows? But anyway, yeah, we're gonna have this and the dog pens, and I think they're gonna be, like I said, putting in a pond over there. Not anything crazy extravagant or anything, but it should be able to hold some fish in it. I don't know what's going on. I'm just the photographer on this one. So, but if y'all have any questions or comments, like I said, I'm willing to answer. I check the stuff, the comments section there like every other day. So yeah, I think we're almost done with this episode. We're gonna be doing some more today, but then I think we're getting rid of the bulldozer, and I'll be working on this tonight sometime, so most likely. But anyway, hope you guys are enjoying so far the time lapses. Everybody, I've been showing them my dad and my parents and sisters, and they like them. They think they look really cool and stuff, and with the sun going down and everything. But anyway, we'll get back to it.